Hello kids, today we are going to learn have, has and their third friend had. First we are going to learn about have and has. Let's see their use. Have and has used to show belonging in the present. It means what is going on in the present. For example, I have a rose. Third is had. Now let's see when we have to use had. Had is used to show belonging in the past. It means what happened yesterday. For example, I had a rose. It means it was with me. Right now, I don't have a rose. Now, let's learn one by one. First, we will learn about has. Has we have to use with whom? Let's see. Has we have to use with a singular noun. Along with whom? A singular noun or a singular pronoun. Now let's learn with the example so that you all will better understand along with whom we have to use has. Has is used with nouns like name of a non-living things which are singular. For example, bag. Another thing is pen or name of an animal. For example, here we can say cat. And last one is a singular name of a person. Here I have given, for example, like name of a boy, Shiv. So you can take any singular noun. Along with that noun, we have to use has. Second is has we can use with the singular pronoun. Let's see some examples. First one is he. He is a singular pronoun. So along with he we can use has. He has. Second is she. So we can say she has. She is singular. And last one is it. It has. It we can use for non-living things. For example, let's see. Shiv has two pencils. Shiv is a singular, so that we have used has. Second is he has a new toy car. He is singular, so we have used has. She has a pet dog. She is a singular, so that we have used has. Last one is this is wooden table. Table is non-living thing and it is singular, so that here we have used it for table. It has four legs. This is wooden table. It has four legs. Now let's learn about have. Here I will tell you along with whom we can use have. So here have we can use with plural noun and plural pronoun. But some are exceptions that I will tell you ahead. First, have is used with nouns. Let's see which type of nouns are there. Plural nouns like bags. Second is pens. Third is cats. These all are previous examples. Backside we have used as a singular nouns. Now here we are going to use as a plural nouns. Previously we have used Shiv as a singular noun. But now Shiv and Ruth, if we are going to use together, then we have to use have along with them. Now listen carefully. I am going to tell you something about you pronoun. You is very important. But as we are using you as a singular and plural too. So here I will tell you few things about you pronoun. You is a second person pronoun. You is a second person pronoun and you is used as a singular and plural too. So along with you always we need to use have. You have. Now let's see have is used with which type of pronouns. The pronouns like first one is plural pronoun or we can say singular pronoun. You. You have. You have. Second is plural pronoun which is we. We have. We have. And last one is also plural pronoun they. They have. They have. Now another one more thing we all have to understand. Have is used with pronoun I. Now you must be thinking, previously I told you have we have to use with plural pronouns or nouns. But now I is a singular. Then too we have to use have along with I. Because few are exceptions. I is a first person singular pronoun. That's why we have to use have along with pronoun I. I have. Now let's revise again along with which pronouns we have to use have. First one is we have, we have. Second is you have, you have. Third one is they have, they have. Fourth one is I have, I have. For example, let's see. First is cats have four legs. Cats is a plural word. So we have used have. Second is we have a bicycle. We is plural pronoun. They have a new car. They is plural pronoun. So we have used have. You have many books. You is plural and singular too. So we have used have. And last one is I have a younger sister. Use of had is very simple. As we have already learned about had is used in the past tense. So, had is used with both singular and plural nouns and pronouns too. So, it is very simple to keep in the mind. Let's revise. First, we will see the pronouns. Had is used with I. We can say I had, we had, you had, they had, he had, she had, and last one is it had. Let's see some examples. Abhi had a toy car. Students had books. She had a pet dog. He had two pencils. This park had no benches till last year. Now, here we are talking about last year. So, it is past tense. So, that's why we have used had. I had two story books. These animals never had a tail. Let's revise. Have is used with I, you, we, they. Has is used with he, she, it. And had is used with everyone. I, you, we, they, he, she, it. Revise this table. Listen, my dears, whenever you are going to solve the exercise, first you all need to think about present tense and past tense. Read the sentence carefully and decide whether that sentence it is in past or it is in present, and then choose the correct answer. Fill in the blanks with has, have and had. If present tense is there, has and have you can use, and if it is past tense you can use had. Let's read first all the sentences. Trisha dash a new fairy dress. So first we need to think about the tense. Trisha dash a new fairy dress. Second is Trisha dash a new fairy dress last year. Same sentence I have used, but the tense is different. Now the second sentence is about last year. It means it is about past tense. Third one is Trisha and I dash a same fairy dress. So now think about the tenses and then you can fill in the blanks. Trisha dash a new fairy dress. Trisha is a singular. So what we can use, and it is about present tense. We have used has. Second is about past tense. So we have used had. And third one is about present tense, but it is plural. Trisha and I. So we have to use have. Read all the sentences again so that you can better understand. And the next exercise, it is for you. Try to solve at home. Thank you. Like, share and subscribe my channel for more videos. Hope you have liked today's video. Don't forget to share, like and subscribe. And keep studying.